Alright. So what we have here is an old 5-horse Briggs and Stratton from the 90's. And I'm gonna disassemble it and attempt to rebuild it. Shouldn't be too hard. I rebuilt a lot of engines, so this is what we got. What do you think, Cody? It's gonna be hard to rebuild?
Huh?
Think it's gonna be hard to rebuild?
I think ain't never gonna run again. What are you talking about?
It's not locked up.
Well, at least you get the head off of it yet.
I'm gonna take the. Can you take it off without taking the spark plug out of it? You think you're fine?
And suppose your top plate comes off, and there's probably, well, those 4 of these may run all the way through.
Looks like all of them do.
I don't know if all of them run all the way to here. Or that one don't. I guess just got that many bolts on the cover on. I guess technically that's your head, ain't it?
That would be this piece. Blind spot here.
There it is, over here.
There it is. Hey! Well, that valve's stuck. Shouldn't this? Okay. There we go. There's that piece.
Fixed.
Fixed it. Fixed it. It should. I sprayed a lot of stuff in there.
That was gonna compliment, or look like dog hair. I don't know.
Don't know about it? How rough is it?
That's pretty rough, Rodney.
Oh. What do you think? Think it's worth it?
That, look right there.
Can we bore it out?
There you go.
Can you take a... What is that? You think
Oh.
that's just surface or... Oh man, that one's got a big gouge.
No, that's what I'm saying. I don't think all that's surface. I'll bother you guys to go punch it out for you.
Yeah, there's some dings in the... Call Bobby?
Yeah.
There's some dings in the top of this piston too. I don't know about it. Looks like it's got some garbage in it. Yeah, I'd say it's got a little bit. But you can get the whole... Well, it's no good. No good, my friend. Keep taking it apart. Scheiße. Really? Well. Okay. Maybe not. What was the quarter? Little bitty screws. That's little tiny baby screws. With a little baby engine. A little baby engine that could. Yeah, okay. It's missing one there. Let's see here. What size is this? Of course it is. Most of this stuff was standard back then, so we're going metric though. This cylinder wall does not look good. It may not be worth fixing. If I could. So there's the magnet for the coil. Excuse me. All that stuff's there. Okay. I reckon the next thing is take this side case off right here. See what it looks like on the inside. Is that a 10? Standard. We're gonna go for 10. Probably like a 7/16 or something, but no. Yeah. Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll work. Yeah, see? No big deal. Trying to round her off. So, we'll grab a standard. It's gonna be a 3/8, ain't it? 3/8. Look at that. Genius. all the same size. That's good news. Don't gotta worry about putting stuff back in the wrong place. Now. Got some old pins. There we go. Oh, not bad. Let me see here. Ooh. Not sure what that is. Was it? Maybe it's got a certain place it goes. Fall out in there. What is that? Aha. It's some kind of... I reckon that's probably for the governor. Yeah. That's what that is. Okay. That makes more sense. Let's get this thing to top dead center here. And we'll see. got? Well, this thing has chewed on something. Let's dump out the rest of this crap. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Looks like me on Saturday after Chinese. Good stuff, that's for sure. Well, I think that's going to be it for this video. Yeah, for now. And I'll get back to you.